It was the year 2120 and a magnitude 9 earthquake struck the Madhya Pradesh region in India. Do you know, Henry, that earthquakes and hurricanes are interconnected? Singh, a science teacher, was explaining to Henry that all these frequent earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and severe hurricanes were caused by global warming. Travel 1,000,000 times faster than the speed of light and join Henry on a roller coaster ride through time and space in his continuing search for that elusive place called heaven in the afterlife. With the help of his new friends, the Ukrainian quintuplets, old Man Raju and his dog Rahul the beagle. But the evil werewolf Douglas is back to derail his path, aided by 2 deadly Greek sirens, the sweet-singing Epheia, and the dancing seductress Epheia. Trip to the Unknown, The Labyrinth of Music is the second part of a trilogy about Henry's search for heaven in the afterlife. Available in Kindle eBook edition.